This band of some steadier snow will gradually work to the north, so over the next hour or so, we'll find the snow picking up a little bit around Alpena. Here are two shots, one from Lachine, one from just outside Rose City. In Lachine, the roads are mainly wet, but starting to get slick now that we are having some snow showers coming down. Snowfall amounts 1 to 3 inches away from the shoreline, but probably less snowfall near the Lake Huron shoreline. Wednesday morning, we'll likely have a break of some dry weather. Lori calls this photo if 2020 were a snowman. She says this snowman in Spruce has been discolored, lost an eye, is held up by one stick arm, but still standing. An additional 2 to 4 inches of snow expected across the area. We will have a lower chance of some flurries Sunday morning and afternoon. On the other side of the cold front, 29 degrees in Minneapolis. This colder air mass is heading in our direction. The rain tonight is going to be moving off to our east, and we'll have drier weather moving in for tomorrow. 6 to 12, the number to go by for the yellow area. 2 to 7 inches over eastern Iosco County, where there is expected to be more of a rain-snow mix. Any more showers that come through this evening could be in the form of rain or a rain-snow mix because the temperatures near Lake Michigan are just a couple degrees warmer. The snow is coming down quite steadily. The visibility significantly reduced due to the ongoing snowfall. We're seeing some bursts of some heavier snow that are moving through portions of Alcona, Alpena, Presque and Montmorency counties as well. The snow becoming a little bit lighter for some of our communities south of M72. We're still going to contend with steady snow through the night into the pre-dawn hours early tomorrow. The visibility sharply reduced, a half mile in Alpena, also a half mile in Harrisville and Tawas City. That's an indication of just how heavy the snow is coming down. Visibility about a mile in Atlanta and a mile and a half in West Branch. Our temperature sitting around 30 degrees in Alpena. It's 31 in Oscoda and 28 in Atlanta. We have winds coming out of the southeast, a little bit breezy at 16 miles per hour in Alpena, 17 miles per hour in Oscoda. This snow is encompassing almost all of Michigan. The center of our storm system is over Lake Michigan. It's going to head up towards the northeast, and behind it, we're going to pick up some gusty winds out of the west. So that's going to lead to some dropping temperatures for tomorrow, and we will find the snow breaking apart tomorrow morning, so the second half of the day looking a bit better. Widespread steady snow continues tonight. We still could be seeing some snow coming down during the early morning hours tomorrow, and then the snow begins to diminish. There will be lake effect snow closer to Lake Michigan, the bulk of that staying out of our area, but there will be a chance of some flurries, especially north and west of Alpena during the day tomorrow. It's going to get lighter, though, as the day goes on. Then as we go into Saturday, there's a chance we still could see a few passing flurries in our area, but nothing substantial. What will be substantial is the cold air heading in. By tomorrow morning, wind chills are dropping into the teens. Then by tomorrow afternoon, with those dropping temperatures, wind chills will be near zero, maybe just a little bit above zero. So that's how it's going to feel with the dropping temperatures combined with those winds coming out of the west. By the time we get to early Saturday, we have wind chills that are heading below zero. So again, that's not the temperature, but it's how it's going to feel because of the temperature combined with the wind. And then it also gets very cold as we go into early Sunday. For early Sunday morning, we're going to have wind chills between -5 and -10. Temperatures heading on a nosedive after tomorrow. We're going to have highs in the teens over the weekend, so we're looking at temperatures that will be 10 to 15 degrees below normal. Our normal high sits at 28. We are nowhere near that heading into early next week. For tomorrow, we'll start off near 30 degrees pre-dawn, falling to 22 in the afternoon. Our greatest chance of snow comes during the morning. A low of 12 early Saturday, highs near 18, a chance of a few flurries, but the bigger issue will be the cold temperatures, dropping off to 6 degrees early on Sunday. We'll start out Sunday with a chance of flurries, highs near 14 degrees. Then we'll likely have dry weather late Sunday to early Monday. For Monday, we're going to start off near 3 degrees, highs near 17, and then a chance of flurries building in late. That cold weather is with us through the middle of the upcoming week. We'll have mostly cloudy skies for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with high temperatures around the middle teens. When it comes to moisture, Professor Craig says there's more to consider than just total monthly rainfall.
When we look at some of the rainfall, totals or averages and things can sometimes be misleading because, you can have a few big rains and dry periods in between.
Professor Craig added that a couple weeks without substantial rainfall can speed up the changes from green leaves to vibrant colors. Meteorologist Pat Bach from the National Weather Service explains what led to the persistent heat this past season.
We found a good portion of the country was under a big ridge of high pressure for a lot of the summer. We were kind of on the edge of that, so it just kept us in a warmer pattern than we normally would see.
This year, the jet stream was displaced north of Lake Superior, resulting in a more persistent hot pattern in much of Michigan over the summer.